Okay, let's see how you did with practice problems 1 and 2. First thing I'm going to do is write this vertically. I'm going to put the 5/8. Actually, I'm going to rewrite the whole thing. 3/5 plus 5/8. Least common multiples. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And then for 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. If you don't want to do that, you can just multiply the denominators together. It won't always be the smallest number though, okay? So most of the time it works, but not always. But you will get a number that you can work with. So in this case, it's 40. And when I multiply it, it's also 40. So now I'm going to set up my multiplication problems. I'm going to put my new denominator, which is 40. And now I'm going to see, what do I multiply by to get from 5 to 40? It's 8. What do I multiply by to get from 8 to 40? It's 5. 3 times 8 is 24. 5 times 5 is 25. So when I add those together, I get 49 over 40. You can leave it like that. You will get full credit if you leave it as an improper fraction, okay? But if you know how to turn it into a mixed number, you can do that as well. So 40 goes into 49 once, and then you have 9/40 left over. Practice problem 2, I'm going to write it vertically. 2 over 3 plus 6 over 7. I'm just going to multiply to get my least common denominator, which is 21, and that is the smallest number. So it works out for this one as well. I'm going to set up my multiplication problems. I'm going to see what I need to multiply by. 3 times what is 21? That is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 7 times what is 21? That's 3. 6 times 3 is 18. You can use calculators for the multiplying. Doesn't matter. Again, I'm going to have a bigger number. So what's 14 plus 18? I don't know that by heart. 8, 12, 32. So I get 32 over 21. You can leave it like that and be done. You'll get full credit. If you want to make the mixed number, you're going to have 1 and 11 over 21. Both of these would be considered correct on an exit ticket, okay? If you were typing a mixed number on your exit ticket, type it like this: 1 space and then your fraction, okay? That way, you know it'll get marked correct. If you don't put a space, it'll mark it wrong. Try practice problems 3 and 4 and then watch the video to see how you did. Oh, I forgot this part. What do you have to do before you can add fraction with unlike denominators? You need to find the least common denominator. Find the least common denominator. Now do practice problems 3 and 4.